Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to keep private your game activity on Steam and keep it hidden on your profile. So what you want to do is just go on over to the library, and you can do this by individual game, or you can do it in the settings through every game. So if you want to do it by individual game, go to the game that's installed and go to where it says properties right here. And there's going to be an option under here for making it private. So go to privacy and then mark as private right here. Hide your activity in this game from others. Just check mark that right there. And you're going to see it's hidden right here now in the game, and might say hidden on the top. So you can always unhide it at some point in the future if you want. But that's just a quick indication to see if you hit it. Now the other way is if we go to settings, we can do this for every game. If we go to account, privacy settings right here, and then under here, we have game details. Just make this private or friends only. This category includes the list of all your games, Steam account, games you've wish list, your achievements, and your playtime. This setting also controls whether you're seen as in-game and the title of the game you're playing on your friends list. So if you bring open this up, it will just say you're online and it'll be like blue. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more channel videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.